Today, I'm going to be answering the question, does StashAway have a bank account? This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to finally be able to answer it for you. Before I get into the answer, let's take a quick look at what StashAway is. StashAway is a robo-advisor that helps you invest your money. It's a great option for people who are new to investing or who don't have a lot of time to manage their own investments. How does StashAway work? When you sign up for StashAway, you answer a few questions about your financial goals and risk tolerance. StashAway then uses this information to create a personalized investment portfolio for you. StashAway invests your money in a mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets. It automatically rebalances your portfolio as needed to keep it on track to meet your goals. Does StashAway have a bank account? The answer to this question is no. StashAway does not have a bank account. Instead, StashAway uses a custodian bank to hold your money. A custodian bank is a financial institution that is responsible for safeguarding your assets. What are the benefits of using a custodian bank? There are a number of benefits to using a custodian bank. One benefit is that your money is FDIC insured. This means that your money is protected up to $250,000 in the event that the bank fails. Another benefit is that custodian banks are subject to strict regulations. This helps to ensure that your money is safe and secure. What are the risks of using a custodian bank? There are also some risks associated with using a custodian bank. One risk is that you may not have as much access to your money as you would if you had a bank account. Another risk is that you may be charged fees by the custodian bank. Additional tips. In addition to the information above, I would also like to add that StashAway is a member of the Securities Investor Protection Corporation, SIPC. This means that your investments are protected up to $500,000 in the event that StashAway goes bankrupt. So, does StashAway have a bank account? No, it does not. Instead, it uses a custodian bank to hold your money. There are both benefits and risks associated with using a custodian bank. If you are considering using StashAway, it is important to weigh the benefits and risks carefully. With that said, thank you for watching.